What if you could turn any photo into a realistic AI video like these? Whether it's a product photo, a portrait, a travel shot, or even a pet photo, you can bring any image to life in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it inside Canva. Let's get started. All right, the first step is to add the photo you want to convert into a video. Let's increase its size to fill the entire page. Now click on Edit, then click on the Image to Video feature. Here you have two options. The first is Smart. This automatically analyzes your photo and converts it into a video without you describing anything. The second is Custom, where you can describe exactly how you want your photo to move. You can try both, but in most cases, the Smart option works really well. So let's go with Smart. It will generate a 5-second video. Just be a little patient while it processes. And this is the video they created. Cool, right? Now let me try another photo. I'll add this photo, click Edit, select Image, choose Image to Video, and Generate. And this is the result. I really like this one. And remember, if you don't like the result, you can always click Generate again to get a new version. Now let's try one more. Okay, so I've added this boxing photo. Let's convert it and see what Canva creates. And this is the result. Not bad at all for the first try. And that's how you transform any photo into a video clip in Canva in just a few clicks. This is perfect for product photos, reels, and any content where you want to add motion to your photos. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials every week. See you in the next one.